everyone, my name is Helen and welcome to my channel. More than a year ago, I said I will do this video after my first video. Well, it's been over a year now and I'm finally doing it. It's almost 2 years. How to crochet with one hand with my adaptive crochet device. I'm so sorry to keep you waiting, and I got a couple of things to say before we get started. So, a little backstory about me. I had an hemiplegic stroke years ago, 9 years ago to be exact, and that affected my right side. So from my face to arm to torso to leg to foot. Basically, my right side was paralyzed. So I had to adapt everything that I do with my left side, including writing and also walking. And also, in this video, how to crochet with one hand only. I'm not comfortable sharing about my stroke, so please keep comments and questions about my stroke to a minimum. I won't get offended, but I probably won't reply to your comment. And if you have your own story that you would like to share, you are 100% welcome to. So, disclaimer time, okay? This is a big one. Everyone is different, and I'm just sharing what I know about one-handed crocheting. Keep in mind that I can't use my other arm. And yes, I do have my other arm, but unfortunately I can't move my wrist, my hand, or my fingers, and my arm has a limited range of motion. I have a limited range of motion on my right arm. I think I said rotation because it rhymes with motion, so yeah. Okay, back to the video. And you cannot solely crochet with just one hand. You need something to help you. You would need another hand or arm or any part of your body. Or, in my case, a adaptive crochet device or a crochet aid. So let's say you can't move your hand, but you can move your arm. You may try holding the crochet hook under your armpits. There is a video on YouTube showing that, so I will link it down below in the description box. There are plenty of ways on how you can hold the crochet hook, and this is my way. The way that I feel most comfortable with without straining my body. When I first started to crochet, I searched up on YouTube if there were any tutorials. That was over a year ago, and unfortunately there were none. Well, welcome to this channel. I want to be that channel for you. I want to show you how to crochet step by step with only one hand. If you are in a similar situation as I am, where you can't use your other side, either your right side or your left side, and you are interested in crocheting, or maybe you crocheted before, I highly recommend you to watch this video. Not just this video, but this whole series. You can crochet with one hand, and I'm going to show you. Something that helps me crochet without using my other hand, my right hand or arm, and solely using my left hand. Now, how I made this device is all thanks to this video. I will link it down in the description box below, and you should definitely check it out. I am so grateful that this video exists and it's on YouTube and I could just search it up. It's this particular video that made me think, hey, maybe I can do this. Please check it out. I think it's going to be really helpful for you. So I'm here to emphasize that that video changed the course in me crocheting and stuff. I knew that it was possible to knit, okay? I don't know about crocheting. When I searched on YouTube, there weren't much people doing like solely one-handed crocheting. Usually had their other arm help them. But unfortunately, I don't have my other arm, nor hand, nor right side to help me. So it was hard to find a video where they only use their like one hand to crochet. And when I found it, which is the video that I will link below in the description box, I was so happy that I found a video and that it's possible for someone just to crochet with one hand without the help of the other. So yeah. Because my disability will stay here probably forever, and I wanted something that is sturdy. Sorry, my voice is so really hoarse right now. I don't know what's happening, but I wanted something to, stay here for a long time. Something that will not fall apart in like a week or so. Anyways, back to the video. This is my adaptive crochet device or crochet aid. This is a screw where you can turn it clockwise or counterclockwise to loosen or tighten the grip of the crochet hook. For example, I'm going to loosen the grip of the screw by turning it one way and taking the crochet hook out of the hole. As you can see, there is a hole that was drilled through the piece of wood. With the crochet hook, I can also switch the hooks. For example, a 3mm one. To make the crochet hook tight and not loose like it is right now, I just turn the screw so it will go down and press on the hook, making it tight. This wooden piece is wood from the hardware store. I think we got a stick of wood and my dad sawed it down to this wooden piece. This clip right here can clip to my table, which was actually part of a fan. Those portable fans. The fan part was broken, so we thought of attaching the clip part to this crocheted aid, because we want something to clip onto places, like my desk here. So I use my left hand to crochet with my hook on my left side, and the yarn also goes on my left side. Now, I assume to do it on your right side, you will switch the hook to your right side like this, and you will put your yarn on the right side. Then you will be able to crochet with your right hand. The materials that you will need. You will need your yarn, your crochet hook. Keep in mind that your yarn you buy from the store, for example, usually they tell you what crochet hook to use. Use that crochet hook. This is just for people who are interested in crocheting but haven't bought the materials yet. You also need a pair of scissors. And last but not least, the other arm or hand, anything that can help you, or your crochet aid, like what I have. Like this video if you found it informative, insightful, or helped you in any way. In my next video, I will show you how to do a slip knot with one hand and my adaptive device. That will be part 2 of this series. Subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified when I post the slip knot video or any of my future videos. If you are interested in the process of crocheting with one hand, I have a video in the card above me and also in the description box down below, so check it out. And if you're also interested in knitting, I also have another video where I do knitting one-handed, so I will also leave that in the card above me and also in the description box down below. I also make 3D art, so follow me on Instagram at HelenMelon3Dart. I'm going to share some of my work with you all. I make this and this, 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 and this. Thank you so much for watching. Get notified for part 2, and I'll see you later. Bye!